today. And for the first time ever, I know what I'm gonna make in the morning, because I'm gonna make hazelnut omelets. I made it once and it was like really good. I made it like 2 years ago for a recipe. It was really good, and now I'm craving it all of a sudden. It popped into my head yesterday evening, you know, and you're like excited for it the whole evening and morning as well. So that's me today. So we're gonna make the hazelnut omelette. Yeah, start with that and then I'll get back to you because I need to finish my coffee as well first. Okay, so that took me way longer than I thought it would. First two were pretty ruined, so yeah, I had to switch it up, and it's now 2 hours later. Oh my god, I wasted so much time. I had this whole planning. Also started doing my makeup party already. It looks awful as well. This is not my day. Yeah, so I'm gonna enjoy that a lot because it took me 2 hours. And then I'm gonna finish my makeup, probably do my hair. And I think I'm gonna start filming already. Okay, yeah, but the ones that failed, here ate them, so that's really nice. So no throwing it away. And I don't think the recipe's perfect, but I'm gonna enjoy it. And I'm gonna watch Gossip Girl and just relax for a moment and let it sink in that it took me this long and that my whole planning is ruined. I don't know why, but always when I don't finish my planning or like don't get stuff done on time, I always get this really stressed feeling and like I'm wasting my time. I don't know why. I don't think it's a healthy habit and it's something I really want to change this year. So I'm gonna just let it go and see how the days goes. I'm gonna make a productive one still because I'm gonna film a recipe, so it's all fine. I just have to switch up the planning for the rest of the week. But still, I'm gonna watch Gossip Girl. I'm gonna enjoy, take a breath. It's fine. Nothing's ruined, and I will see you later when I'm cooled down and know what to do. I'm back. So Gossip Girl really helped. The omelette wasn't really good. It needed a lot of improvement before I put it online. But yeah, you know, it's good to know. I was planning on filming it next week. It's gonna take me some more time and it's good to know it now than next week. I got myself some tea and I'm gonna get ready to film. So I'm gonna put it on the oven, put the whole setting ready, and I'm gonna film a banana baked oats. Oh, I put it in the last video as well, and I put it in my what I eat in a day on TikTok. I got a lot of questions about it, so I'm gonna make that now. And then the fun part of my day can begin. And I'm gonna get some lunch. And it's already 1 day. It's flying by. I'm now going for a little walk. I'm off to the thrift shop. I've been doing this a lot, thrift shopping, and the reason why is that the apartment I went to see last video is the apartment I got. So I finally found an apartment. I don't know, I find thrift shops very fun. It's also kind of my style. I found such amazing things already. What I'm going to now is in the village I live, but it's not that great. But yeah, I'm still gonna have a look, maybe find a new lamp or something like that. But first, I'm gonna treat myself to a sandwich. I don't know, I've already spent so long this morning on making breakfast that I'm just gonna save some time by grabbing one on the go. Then I'm gonna do the thrift shopping, and I'm also gonna do some groceries as well for the recipes for tomorrow. So I'm saving time with that as well. Getting back on track. So I'm gonna do that and I will see you at the thrift shop. This is looking so much better than my breakfast this morning. So I'm home from the thrift shop. To be honest, it wasn't a great thrift shop. It was quite garbage. But I did see 2 chairs, which might be nice to paint over black and to put in my dining room. Yeah, and I finally got lunch and I'm feeling really tired. I don't know what it is today, but I'm so blue. And I've asked multiple people, like, how are you feeling today? And they were like, I'm really blue as well. Not motivated to do anything and things are just not going your way. Why? Why is that? I was planning actually to go to the gym, but I'm still on my period and I'm trying to learn to take it slow when I'm having my period, and then once it's over, just go for it again. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take it slow. I went for a long walk. I'm probably gonna do some home exercises, some light ones, you know, to move a bit, but the rest I'm just gonna lay in bed, I guess. But also because I'm moving, it's a lot of things on my mind. All the time I'm thinking about how I'm gonna do that, how I'm gonna do that. And it just keeps going, especially because I'm really creative. My brain is always working, and it's also always working on social media. Now it's just at the end where it stops. I don't know if anybody has this as well, but I have it. So yeah, I'm gonna relax, long story short, and do some movements and watch Gossip Girl again, because I just need to relax. And also I feel like this is kind of like a meh kind of video where nothing really happens. But I also want to show you guys that it's okay to take it slow for a day. If you're not having a day, take it slow. It's okay, and just do your best tomorrow. Keep that in mind, and I will see you at dinner. Here tonight, gonna cook tonight together, so that's really fun. And I will bring you along, of course. Okay, so we just made some steak for dinner. Very nice. We often do this when we're kind of like having a date night. So yeah, I also made some potatoes, and the way to get them really crispy is to put cornstarch on it and then put them in the oven. It makes it really nice and really crispy. Very lovely. And for now, we're just gonna relax and probably watch a movie and just have a really slow evening. And we also got some chocolate, so that's the last thing I'm gonna eat today. I always get this one. It's like almond sea salt from Tony Chocolani. It's really nice. I always have it. I always eat it after dinner. So yeah, having a slow evening, and I will see you next time.